Hello all, thanks for tuning in. Today we're playing with some early Lionel, demonstrating their automatic trips. As you saw, the Lionel engines and trolleys from this period had the reverse unit down here. So you simply throw one way or the other way for direction. And the reverse trips are very simple. You just run into it at a right speed, and then it whacks the other way, and you go the other direction. Pretty simple. As you can see, here's on the number 3. Both these trolleys are probably 1907. They're the non-embossed ones, so the very early. This is the solid 3-rivet trucks. Again, non-embossed, so probably 1907. Quite early, Lionel introduced these type trolleys at the end of 1906. The automatic trips here, again, one for going backwards and one goes for forward, were introduced initially. So here's the first grouping here of the automatic trips, where they had a large spring as a recoil. That didn't work too good, so they replaced that one in 1910 with this style that we're using here. And then ultimately they modified it again for this trip style here. Again, you have it at the bottom of the steam engines. All the electrics have that have reverse units have these little reverse units down here for reversing the train. As you saw, it's quite jarring for the passengers. If you're going too slow, it'll just stop it. If you're going too fast, of course, it derails the trolley. So you have to find a happy medium. Why did Lionel come out with this thing? Well, initially, Lionel did the electric novelty of a gondola or the converse trolley going around in a circle. This was kind of to attract people for stored windows, store displays. And people said, oh, it's great, I have something moving my window, but you're taking up my entire window. So then he came up with the idea of this elevated track so that the trains could run above the stock, and then you could have the stock in the middle and still use your window. These ideas were born in Manhattan, where everyone was struggling to get the people that were walking by their little storefronts. So if you didn't have enough room for a big loop, you could have a back and forth type situation where the trolley would run back and forth. And these type of trips here would implement that, so your train could just go back and forth in a very short distance and need that much of a display area. You could still show your wares. So I'm demonstrating these today, so you won't have to. As you can see, it's quite jarring to the train. You wouldn't want to have be a slip and you could be a very good slip and fall lawyer and cash in on all the patrons that were riding in these. So we'll fire it up. This one runs a little better automatically. This one I have to control bringing in the speed. So thank you very much for watching. If you like what you see, please subscribe. This is videos dedicated to my little buddy Brad, who was a big collector of early Lionel. We lost him 2 years ago. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching.